Hey everyone, Luke back here on location day at the harbor. We're working on this giant 50-foot cruiser yacht. We're doing a full new boat protection package, which is a 3-year ceramic coating on all the gel coat. But first we have to deal with is a water spot issue all over this hull and this glass on the hull. So today I'm going to bring you my review of Starke Yacht Care Venom. This is a mineral deposit remover. Says right here on the label, can be used on gel coat, paint, glass, and metal. Removes minerals without abrasive. It's a strong acid mixture that softens hard minerals. Minimal rubbing required and is safe to use on coatings. Now, I did use this on the other side of the hull and had really great results. So today I want to show you how I was using it, and that's what I want to do. I want to show you how I was using it and tell you how awesome this stuff looked. So I already washed it, soap and water, rinsed it and dried it just to knock all the surface stuff off as much as I could get. So the product can just really work on the bonded mineral spots. So I'm going to be using a auto fiber saver pad. Instructions are shake well, apply directly to surface with a microfiber towel. Oh, this is microfiber. And then wipe off immediately with a damp microfiber towel. Today I have a hose and still some soap and water in my bucket and a brush. And I've got my squeegee that I can dry this off quickly and we can check the results. The other side, I got most of it all in the first application, except for just some heavier ones that required a second pass on it, and man, it looked really great. Glass looked brand new, so the gel coat. And I'm going to be polishing this anyway, so I want to get rid of these and just make my life easier in the polishing process. So, as it says, shake well. I'm going to do like this section of glass. There's like a seam right here, so we can have a built-in 50-50. I don't have to use any tape. And then I'll try and just match that line here on the gel coat. Also gonna bring you in for a close-up shot. Let me engage my screen here, just so you can hopefully you can see. That's a pretty good amount. Up here, there's a lot. See, these aren't washing off. You might be able to get these with like a pretty heavy compound, but I'm just doing like I've got a really nice medium compound I'm using. Just because this boat's so new, I don't need to go hard and heavy on it. I just want to remove a little bit of surface contamination and get it clean for the ceramic coating application. So here we go. This is what I do. Pad. Kind of gooped it on there. There, that's a better view. I should also have gloves on. This is an acid. I have them in my pocket, so let me get this on there and then I'll glove up. Because I had a cut in my hand the other day and whew, it burned. I was just applying it. Stuff really good on glass. Now it is early in the morning and this surface is cold, so disclaimer, if your boat is in the sun or the glass or the gel coat is hot, I would not be doing this. You can have a serious problem with an acid-based product in general, especially in the heat on glass. If you could possibly etch the glass and then you'd be in for a lot of extra work, and you definitely wouldn't want to do that. So you put on the metal too. There's spots on the metal, and then we'll go down here. It's kind of like a thick gel. I would guess you're not gonna really want this to dry, so work as big as the section as you can't, well, I don't know, what is this? 2 feet by like 3 feet. Make sure you don't go too crazy on the sides of the spot. And then I was rubbing it like this. Couldn't really feel if it was taking it off, but when I washed it off, it's just pretty much gone. I still need to put my glove on, but it smells like an acid. It's definitely acid. So that's the only way to get rid of a water spot anyway, because the mineral is an alkaline mix of calcium and whatever else is in the hose water. So it's an alkaline, and so the only way to remove it is to go on the opposite side of the pH scale with an acid. Otherwise you'd be grinding on this and it would not be good with the compound or polish. It's unnecessary. There, I can see they're gone here. It looks like they're gone here. Ooh, let's get under here. I'm gonna have to do the entire haul, so. But I want to show you guys how good this stuff worked. If you're having a problem with this, I suggest you go over to their website, starkeyachtcare.com, I believe. Just Google them. And their product is Venom. They also make some really great polishes and compounds, and they have some their own coating. Everything I've tried of theirs works really well. Okay, that was pretty good. I can put my gloves on now. Should have had these on first. But at least we got them now. Okay, so we're still up here because I didn't work it long enough. So we won't worry about that. Let's just focus on the glass and this section down here. You can see how different the water behavior is. It's like a clean sheet of glass, and then this is all beaded because the contaminants are messing up the water. Yeah, I can see it's even doing it here. It's kind of beads, and this doesn't bead. I also have a little bit of soap. This is just Adam's car shampoo. This is the soap I've been using. It's nice. Rinses clean. So just want to make sure you rinse off that acid. You could also, if you really wanted to, you could spray it down with like an all-purpose cleaner to neutralize any acid. They don't even mention that in their instruction, so there you go. Just rinse it well. Get my squeegee. Got it. So this is cool on the gel coat because I'm going to be polishing anyway, so if this leaves any marks, I'm going to be removing that. And that's it, we got it. Hopefully you can see, like, tried to make a line, but like this is spotless, looks brand freaking new. Here, let's get this water off. So you can see the water spots even when you try and dry it. And then down here as well. know this works because I already did it. So, but water spots, bonded water spots, and you can see that we removed all of them. It didn't do damage to the gel coat. It looks brand new. Glass looks amazing. This section of stainless steel band looks spot free. Yeah, great. Stuff's awesome. The fact that you can use it on glass and it works that good and doesn't, you don't have to worry about it. Well, as long as the conditions are right, you don't have to worry about it. But that's legit right there. So you're just gonna have to continue that process. Well, I will be continuing that process along this whole 50 feet, 50-ish feet, and that'll be that. And then we can move on. And I'll be able to polish this much quicker, because I won't have to eat through any water spots. So, if you're having a water spot problem, I highly recommend. This should work on cars too. I'm gonna do it next time I need to. It's gonna be my new water spot remover, mineral deposit remover, until further notice. So, yeah, this was Starke, S-T-A-R-K-E Yacht Care Venom water spot remover. Get some. This stuff is awesome. Go to their website. I don't have an affiliate link with them. It says it's supposed to be made by detailers for detailers. They have some really good boat products. So if you're a boat detailer or own a boat and need to detail your own boat, check them out. And if you have any more questions for me, you can reach me through my website at hagensurfaceprotection.com or leave me a comment. Let me know if there's something you guys are having trouble with, and if I know how to take care of it, I'll shoot a video, try to help you out. Yeah, that's it. I'm going to shoot another one later. I'm going to be polishing it. I'm going to use some of their polish, so I'm going to do a review of that. So keep an eye out for that on my YouTube channel as well. All right. Thanks for watching.